Hi, this is Miss Cindy, and I'm back today to do another project. I bought these wood canvases because I had never seen wood canvases, and I thought this would be a good craft for my grandkids. You know, we do a lot of arts and crafts around the house. However, I need to practice first. Anyway, my thought is I have a lot of different wood shapes, all sizes and shapes, squares and triangles, that I thought I would maybe glitter them and then make a scene on this canvas. Now, I know they like to do butterflies and they like to do flowers and rainbows and whatnot, so they can do what they want to do, but I've never did glitter on wood. Actually, I haven't done too much with glitter, period. I do have a video out where I did a project using glitter, and I really like the way it came out because I like the fine glitter. All of these years, I've seen the thick flake glitter, but this is fine, and it doesn't take a lot. You dump it off and you can put it back in the container. So that's what I'm going to try to attempt today. The only thing is, instead of just doing a design, I'm going to try to do a scene. So I have my textured paint here in case I want to do the sand or ground. I'm thinking about doing a night scene, like an Egyptian night scene, because I have a triangle wood piece. I'm going to use my Elmer's glue. I've got all sorts of colors of glitter, and I made this spray for glitter to hold it with Mod Podge and water and a drop of Dawn. But I used all of that from that spray bottle on another project that I did when I was first trying out the glitter. So I broke down and I just went ahead and bought the spray. Anyway, that's about it. Like I said, little craft. I'm going to try, see how it comes out, and then I will go ahead and do it with the girls. Anyway, I'll be back when I get started. Okay, so this is the layout that I want to do. This is going to be, I'll probably do some glitter on the pyramid, like it's Egyptian pyramid. This is going to be the sun. And then down bottom, I'm going to use the textured paint, so it looks like the sand. All I did was tape the canvas because I don't want this paint to get on anything. And then just some swirls. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get this started. And then this has to dry thoroughly before I can go any further. Okay, that's pretty much it. So, there you can see it has the brown and the black specks in it. Once this dry, then I can go ahead and start glittering. But I just wanted you to see that I put the textured paint down. Okay, so I put that to the side, and I made an error. This is not going to be the sun. I said I wanted to make a night scene, so I'm gonna make this silver so it looks more like the moon. So it'll be a night scene, not a day scene. So I'm getting ready to go ahead and put the glitter on. It's not necessary for me to record this, so I could just get it knocked out. All I do is put my glue on, and I use my finger. Some people use a brush, but I use my finger. Just glue it on, put it on. Now, when I do work with this glitter, I do it over, this is nothing but printer paper. I do it over this, so when I tap it off, all I do is fold it up and put it right back in the container. So I don't waste much. That's why I've got so much left, because I really don't waste much. Anyway, I'll be back once these are done, and hopefully that canvas is dry. Okay, well, I'm finished. This is what that canvas board looks like. All I did was I got a little wood cutouts of camos, just so I had something down here on the bottom. This was pretty simple, and actually it was a lot of fun. So I'm thinking about doing another glitter, but on a regular canvas, and let's see what I come up with. I may even use some gel medium. and I don't see why I can't, since I did the wood, and this is a layer on top of the glitter. So anyway, that's what I'm thinking about, playing with this glitter one more time. Like I said, this was done on a wood canvas. Everything went on nice. All my glitter is on, and I did go ahead and spray everything. I'm not going to resin this though. This was just a sample to see how the glitter would come out on this wood canvas board. I'm sorry, wood canvas. So I'm going to just use my polyurethane. I have a gloss polyurethane, and I'm just going to go ahead and brush that on once I know this is completely dry, and that's it. So anyway, this is just something new that I tried. Pretty easy. The kids will probably have a blast doing this. If you like the content, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe. Have a great day. I'll be back.